Five random
This is five
questions with
random questions with
Mawelele.
Mawelele. Let's go. What genre inspired your music? It's definitely R&B and gospel. Yeah. It's a mixture of R&B and gospel. The next one. What's the one accomplishment you would like to achieve as a musician? More than anything, I feel like me being here is because I was given an opportunity by someone else. So I would really love I would give the same opportunity to someone else in my life, another Mawelele. So yeah, definitely. So the next question is, who's your celebrity crush? It would definitely be Tyler. Yeah, Tyler. sorry, Naledie. Which international artist would you like to work with? Definitely Chris Brown. Chris Brown is my idol. I look up to him a lot, and I'd really love to work with him. So yeah. The last one. Who's your favorite local artist of all time? Local artist, favorite. I've got a lot to choose from. That's why but I would definitely go for Zonke. I would go for Zonke, definitely. Zonke has a nice soul, and